Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn job board preferences using Indeed easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's official website. Log into your LinkedIn account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on the Jobs tab located at the top of the page. On the Jobs page, look for the section labeled Job Preferences on the left sidebar. Click on Job Preferences to view your current job settings. Take a moment to review your job preferences, including the types of roles, locations, and industries you have selected. Now, open a new tab in your web browser and go to Indeed's website. If you don't have an Indeed account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged into Indeed, look for the option to set up job alerts. Click on Email Alerts or Job Alerts in your profile settings. Return to your LinkedIn Job Preferences tab. Copy your chosen job titles, locations, and keywords from LinkedIn. Now, go back to the Indeed Job Alerts section. Paste the job titles and locations you copied from LinkedIn into the corresponding fields on Indeed. Set the frequency for how often you want to receive alerts, such as daily or weekly. Review your entries to ensure everything is accurate. Click on the Create Alert button to save your job preferences. You have successfully backed up your LinkedIn job board preferences using Indeed. You can now check your email for job alerts tailored to your preferences. Feel free to customize your preferences further on Indeed as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.